Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name's Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. I really appreciate you being here. Excuse off the cuff video recording today, okay? But ultimately, I had to get this out to you as soon as possible because I've been having so many conversations recently from people who really want to get started with digital and affiliate marketing, but just can't afford the $500, $900, $2,000 courses, okay? Because cost of living is insane. So I went to market, I did a bit of research, and what I've done, I've come up with, I'll go through it in a second with you. I'll share my screen, and there's a way now where you can get started in the online space for less than $50. And the way I've done that is by simply putting together, there's 22 guides, okay? There's 3 mini courses. There's loads of hooks, there's loads of reels, there's loads of visuals that come with this bundle. And the education overall from all these guides and mini courses is insane. For the price point, it's insane. Okay, so what it's doing is allowing you to dip your toes in the water and really get a good feel for this, because what you can do with this bundle is not just take it as an education, which it is, but you can also resell it yourself for 100% profit, which basically means you've got a product to go to market with straight away and something you haven't even had to create yourself. Okay, so I'll go through it now just to show you what value you're going to get from this. So this is perfect for anyone who wants to get started in the digital and affiliate marketing space, or anybody who's already has a business online and just wants to add products to your portfolio. Because with this, you can break them down, sell them individually, bundle them together like I'm doing. I will leave a link below and you can go and check it out and see exactly what you're getting for your money, okay? Because it's insane value. But let me just share my screen with you right now and let's get into it. Okay, so I will leave 2 links below this video, okay? I'll leave my Beacons page link, which you see on screen right now. And you can go there, absolutely, if you want to. You can start here, or you can scroll down to this product, which is the Ultimate Digital Profit Blueprint. Okay, if you click on that link, it'll take you to that page and you'll be able to see exactly what is included. Alternatively, I will leave the link. It'll take you directly to this page below as well, just to make it a little bit easier for you. So let's just have a look at the actual product itself. Okay, so this is the guide that comes out to you, and there's of course many links within this guide that take you back to the templates, so you can edit them as your own product. You can brand them for your own business, and you can, like I said already, you can break them down and sell them individually. You can sell it as a bundle. Do whatever you want to do, okay? But ultimately, it's an education or it's an addition to your business. So 22 done for you guides. Okay, excuse me reading off the screen here, guys. Okay, I've done this off the cuff. It's a Sunday afternoon. I want to get this out to you because it's really important you have this information. So yeah, they're done for you guys, covering faceless and face forward digital marketing, plus 3 audio stroke visual courses for you. Okay, over 4,000 plus faceless video content bank as well, which is worth much more than this bundle by itself. To be honest, you'd have to subscribe to some kind of AI software to have these quality video downloads, but you get them included in this. So again, as you can see here, you start with the playbook, which I'll show you in a second, and then it takes you on to the roadmap, the digital wealth roadmap guide, and then obviously go through the Canva, the messaging, the build your brand playbook. And as you go through this, you can see everything. Okay, you can boost your IG account, you build your sort of lead magnets, you start creating your own digital products, you start sending the right message out to your audience, so you can learn attraction marketing techniques. So you can either sell this or just learn from it and create your own. Do whatever you need to do. But all the education is in this. So as you'll see here, this is just the initial guide that hosts all the links for you. All right, so product 1 is the digital product playbook. And I'll show you that in a second. Then we've got the digital wealth roadmap and so on. Okay, and as you do, all you do is you click these links, that'll open up a template that goes to your Canva account, and you can edit the actual product there. I'll just keep scrolling through, but there's 22 of these done for you guides, okay, that you can resell, as you can see, individually. This one in particular, the social media blueprint, sells for between $47 and $67, 42 pages long. These are not just your sort of 3 or 4 page guides, okay? These are full on proper educational content that is going to teach you. All this content you'll find in some of the best courses out there. but of course it's being taught in a different way within a course. However, I understand not everybody can afford that, right? So this is why I've added this to my business, which I think is going to benefit an awful lot of people, whether they're beginners or already in a business themselves. And I'm scrolling through, and as you can see, there's Insta Profits. So that's obviously your Instagram blueprint. As you can see, 110 pages just for Instagram, okay, on that particular product. Product 10, 14 pages, 7 pages, 100 email templates, okay? If you're getting started in this industry, what a great addition to your business that is. So you haven't got to worry about writing your own emails. Now, yeah, what I would recommend if you're going to use email templates, just take what you're given, enter it into something like ChatGPT and ask that software to rewrite that email targeting your perfect customers, your perfect audience. And when you go through the training, you learn who that is for you. And you just enter that into the software, and it'll recreate that email for you that targets your specific audience. So you're not just copy and pasting, okay? Remain true to who you are and who you're kind of pitching to, okay? So your business, your brand, your words. So keep going through master planners, right? There's the ultimate faceless guide here. You can resell that for up to $67. That's 51 pages long. Faceless Instagram. Again, there's, like I said, I'm not going to read them all out. There's just crazy amount of content here for less than $50. It's $47, okay, for the whole blueprint. Absolute crazy. These are the mini courses for you, okay? That's the Instagram growth playbook, 121 pages, and these are the courses here. So if I was to click on these, this will take me to, I hope. Let me just hope this does take you to the course I wanted to show you. Okay, so this is the playbook. Okay, that's where, again, you edit that in your own software. So as we go through men's luxury videos, right? So these, a lot of the videos on here are obviously quite generic anyway, but we've got luxury girl videos, as you can see here, this one here, faceless aesthetic videos, and we've even got a bank of 1,400 luxury videos specifically targeted for men. So that's a really great addition to your business as well. So the PLR profit bundle as well, you're getting that too. And then we talk about the distribution rights, okay? Private label rights, all products linked within this guide do come with PLR, which basically means you can just like take them, edit them to be your own brand, use your own links, and resell them for 100% profit, okay? That's ultimately what it is. And then it just goes on and on and on, okay? It's a big, big guide. It's a big, big addition to your business, right? So let's just take you into the first one here, and let me get rid of that now and go to this one. So here's the digital wealth roadmap. And this is obviously, again, excuse me for reading off the screen, guys. I'm just literally jumping on and sharing this with you. So the roadmap to creating a winning low ticket digital product, marketing it on Instagram, and effectively making sales as a beginner. Okay, so it's going to guide you through every step of the way, what you need to achieve, and then take action on to actually see quick results. So if I go through here, it'll show module 1, obviously picking your niche topic, creating your own digital product in Canva, and setting up your online store, creating, optimizing on IG, etc. Now your online store can be whatever you want it to be, right? It's your business. It can be one link that goes back to a landing page. It can be something like Stand Store, beacons. Okay, you can host your products on stores like that. Check out, see what's best for you, right? And then module 2, of course, you've got a reel strategy, creating reels that bring your ideal followers, okay, your ideal customers into your world who are looking to get started with you. Module 3, of course, this is where you talk about the magnetic messaging, how to get really clear and consistent on your messaging to make sure, again, those attraction marketing techniques are going to work for you. Module 4, selling in your stories. Okay, stories are fantastic because the outreach is not just your followers, right? So as an example, Instagram, majority of the views I get from Instagram are non-followers, likewise on TikTok. Okay, most of my views come from the For You page, not from my followers. This is a skill and a strategy you need to learn from going through this playbook, right? So it's all there in black and white for you. Module 5, how to set up your email marketing campaign, including plug and play templates, etc. All of that, everything you need to get started. Okay, so this is what I mean. If you can't afford to start with a $500 course, you don't necessarily need to when you got this in your bank of products to actually give you that education. Okay, it's really, really incredible, actually. So take a look at this. Okay, guys, it's insane value. This is obviously just going into the actual guide itself from what I've just reeled off for you there. Fantastic opportunity. I'm not going to open up all 22 documents for you. Feel free to go to the link below and check it out for yourself. But for $47, I think you'll find it is an awful lot of value. When you look at the videos, the content, the visuals alone, without the 22 guides, without the 3 mini courses, without the email campaigns and the hooks, it's an absolutely bargain. Massive, massive plus to my business and to yours. Already, I've seen an uptake on Instagram, especially from utilizing the visual videos that I've been able to download from this bundle. And those, I know for a fact, those videos, they're really high quality, and I would have to be part of a subscription service to be able to download as many as I have. I know you can download like 1 a day or 1 at a time with certain softwares, but it generally takes a long time to get through that, and that is just time I don't have. So for me, it was much easier just to buy this bundle for $47, have all access to all of the guides, all of the videos straight away in my inbox, able to download them instantly to my PC, so I can start posting on social media platforms. Really, really impressed. I'm going to leave a link down below for you. Go check it out because it's just absolutely blowing my mind. Every time I look through these guides, I'm learning something new all the time. It's just, I can't believe the value here for $47. If you're looking to get started in an online business, it's a great place to start. Go check it out. Have a great day, guys.